Hi there. This is a little example of using Minitab Express to get p-values for a specified test of hypothesis with a given form of the alternative hypothesis, meaning left tail, right tail, or two tail, and a calculated test statistic z-value. Okay, so for the first one, we want a left tail test about a population mean, and we're given the calculated test statistic and asked to find the p-value. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up Minitab Express and go to the statistics menu. If you click on distribution plot and then the bottom option, display probability, this gives you the opportunity to specify a certain x value from the distribution and then get a tail area. Now, what Minitab calls an x value, we're actually recognizing it as a z value. But at any rate, you can select from a number of different distribution shapes here, but it defaults to the normal distribution, which is what we want, with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. So in essence, this is giving us our standard normal z curve probabilities. Okay, so we want the probability, but we want to input what Minitab calls an x value. We call a z value. Okay, A is for a left tail p-value, and the test statistic value is negative 1.46. Okay, and notice we have a nice visual representation of what the p-value is. It's this left-tailed probability or area under the curve, and we see that that area is 0.147781. Okay, for Wiley Plus, you'll want to make sure that you round as told. Okay, for part B, we want a right-tailed test p-value. Again, specify x value. Okay, we're on right-tailed, and the test statistic value is 3.98. Click OK. Okay, notice here the tail area is so small you don't even see that red shading, but at any rate, we're given that area, and it's for all intents and purposes 0. Okay, for the third possibility, option C, display probability. Okay, we want a specified x value, but in this case we want equal tails for a two-tail test, and the z value for the test statistic is negative 1.93. Okay, so notice we get a lower tail and an upper tail, and both of them are equal in area. The total p-value will be the sum of these two probabilities. So in essence, if you do it on a calculator, okay, let's see how good my math prowess is today. Okay, no guarantees, but I doubled that. Okay, so there we have it. you may want to verify on your calculator what that actual p-value is. But at any rate, this is how you get them using Minitab Express and the distribution plot. Now, there's other ways of getting these p-values as well. I'm just showing you one that's nice because it actually allows you to visualize what the p-value actually represents. And then that's that probability of getting a result that's even more extreme than the calculated test statistic that you have. So hopefully that's helpful, and I'll see you in the next film. Bye.